Welcome to this tutorial to install and make work the Monty Python's Cocurricular Medieval Reenactment program module for Foundry VTT and Custom System Builder system. First, you have to make sure you have the Custom System Builder installed. If not, you go to install and search for Custom System Builder and install it. And you have to go to modules, install module. Sorry, it's in Spanish, but you'll get it. And here you have to go to my GitHub page and copy this manifest, put it in here and install it. Right now I have it installed already, I think. Yep, this one. And then we can proceed to create a wall. We select the custom system builder and we create the wall. Inside, we can activate the module. Monty. This one, it will say if we want to activate the Dyson Nice module if we have it. It's not required, but it's good to have. It refreshes. And now we get here this message. We import the compendiums. I have them in English also. Let me check my configuration so you understand it better. Okay, so we import all the compendiums. So we can see here the 3 templates for the PCs, NPCs, and holes, and the accoutrements, retainers, and SSAs. So let's start by creating a character, an actor. Sir Gawain. We create the actor, we select the PC template, we refresh, and here we have the sheet. We can select the situation, the class, at the currency. What is indifferent to? This one has 2, but if we select it, cleric, for example, it only has 1. We can select the unit status. And if we go to edit, we can select the traits and retainers. We here have all the traits. We can start putting them. The 4th and 5th one can have a retainer. We'll see later how we can add a retainer here. And here we will see the unassigned retainers and unassigned accoutrements, and also the pluses and minuses that are automatically applied. In notes you can add notes and other stuff. Here you can also. And in the spiffing series ability we will see how we add it to this character. So now we have it like this. We can add the levels. And just so you see what happens when you click on it, this is rolled, and you see what did you get. Let's see that also we have a strut, or however it's pronounced. Sorry, I'm not an English speaker. And it went up 1 step, and we can see which result happened for each one. And the same should happen if we roll 1, but today I'm lucky. Yeah, it gets spammed, and we get a demerit also. If we have to roll for a trait that we don't have here, you can click on the D4 in bit 2 really, and you get this dialog where you can select which one do you want to use, any pluses and minuses, and if you want to spend merits to get extra dice. It will roll. Also, if you have to add merits or whatever in any of the ones that you have here, you have to click in mouse key, that's a shift key, sorry, in English. You click and you get the pluses and minuses and how many merits do you want to spend to get extra dice. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Well, I didn't have merits, so it's -1. And also, if you roll to 20 or more, you get 1 demerit, and you get the message here. Let's see if we are lucky. Nope. Nope. Ooh, yep. We're taking it too seriously. I gain a demerit, and the same would happen if I rolled 40 with 2 demerits. So let's create some objects, some items. Holy and grenade. It's the accoutrements template. We select to which trait it belongs to. I don't remember right now. I guess it's Baylor, but I don't know. And here we can write +1 to attack. I'm making it up. Okay, and in other you could add the special actions, the one use actions, for example. The cost, you can modify it, and if you click here, you can add the pluses and minuses to each trait. Here. Okay, let's move it to the player, to the character. We go to edit, we see it here in unassign accoutrements. We can click it here, add it, and here we can assign it to whatever trait we want to assign it, or the retainer. We apply it to the second one, and we'll see here that we have it here. You can edit it here. That's the way to put accoutrements. And it will also update this with the pluses and minuses to the traits. Let's create a retainer. They can carry 2, for example. You can add here the per diem, the accoutrement types, the can be employed by, the promotes to, and other. And you will see this when I add it here. It goes here, and I can add it to the first retainer spot, for example. And we can have it, we can see it here. And you'll see it here. Second one would be the same. Or if we add here authority, we have 2 authority, 3 authority, too much authority. Subload it. Okay, so we could have it here like this and add all the accoutrements that we need. And finally, the spiffing serious ability. I don't remember the one for cleric, but let's say A. And SSA. And here we can add description, the title of this column, and for each result, what happens and when the SSA recharges. Let's keep it like this. I can put it. We have it here, and to roll it's error because it's empty. If you have to put some words here, you'll see. And then we roll, and I rolled a 1, very lucky of me, and we have it. That's all for the playing characters, I think. I'm not leaving anything. Nope. Then let's go to the non-player characters, the NPCs. NPC template. Okay, here we can select which dice do they have. Plus, the standard attack. We can add from 1 to 5. Oh, sorry. 1 to 5. Blah, blah, blah. Build description. From 6 to 8. Description, and here the car versus trailer, for example. If it has special attacks, you can add them here with just text and text, automated. And when you want to attack, you just click here. And 5, okay, it's this, blah, blah, blah. The current versus trailer in the description. In the defense, if we don't have special defenses, we have here we can add the names of the traits that are serious, the ones that are silly, the ones that are indifferent. If it has special defenses, we can write them here. And to roll, if it's normal, not serious or silly or indifferent, we roll here. An 8. If it's serious, we roll 2, we keep the highest. And if it's silly, we roll 2 and we keep the lowest. Then we have the historically accurate portrayal where we can add all the other information. And here we have that it's required to defeat. Here, it's defeated. I think that's all for the NPCs. Yeah, we're all here or here. Then let's go to the last one, I think. That's the whole template. You have the Beschwillman trigger, the complaint letters. You can add here the description, the goes in for, and the frowns upon. You can edit them to add here. And you can go on adding the different Beschwillman table rows with one, put, and whatever. You can put all of them from 5 to 20, and from 21 to 30, and okay. And here, if you have to add any information, like for the alternative programming, you could add here the information about them. And then you roll the Beschwillman table. And well, let's add some text here so you can see results. You can see the result, the title, and the description. I'll show you later one in Spanish that I have. And that's it for this. I don't think we have any more objects. Tables. So I'll show you one in Spanish, just so you know how it looks like when it's done. So, for example, this character has all the different accoutrements, different tools, traits, retainers, etc. Roll, sorcery, wisdom in the ways of science. Spiffing serious ability. You can see here it's in Spanish, but you can see what happens. You have the notes, the edit, where you can see all the different things. Okay, what else? You can see the pieces, Arthur Figgis, for example, when it's not working. Under attack, you can roll, and you see the result. And for the serious ability, defense, sorry, and the historically accurate portrayal. And then we could see, okay, whole, I created, I think, a table for the whole, yeah. And we can see here, the goes in for, the frowns upon, and the Beschwillman table. We're all, and the BBC has no funds, and all the information here. So I hope it's useful for you, and see you at the tables. Bye.